Hello everyone, how are you all guys doing? Today is very important day in trading, and today we have NFP going on today, and yeah, today we're gonna look into some EU pairs, some gold pairs, and some other, and let's see how the market plays us or we play the market today. People are starting connecting. Yeah, that's a good sign. Alright, let's see. Guys, here, Omar Zahoor from TRENDVEST. Today I'm gonna take over the stream and we're gonna see how the market is gonna move. We're gonna jump later on the Forex factory. It's 3:12. It's pre-New York at the moment. New York's gonna open at 5 p.m. And so yeah, let's see. Okay, currently this trade what I'm looking on to the EU is that we're gonna take an impulse entry on this one because we have some clean candles to the left hand side. We have a good pip range. We can consider this like we have a 34 pip range. It's okay, it's good. Let's see the risk reward. We are actually yeah, 1:2.4. This is basically 11 pips we are risking, and the 26 pip we are looking for the take profits. This is going to be our sell stop. Sell stop is we're gonna look if the market breaks this and hits this level and has to break below this area, so our order is gonna be activated, and then we'll hope for the best and let the trade run till our take profits. Okay, we have this EU setup going on. Now let's jump on to the gold, which is one of the amazing pairs that we trade. Alright, let's go on to the 4 hour. Okay, okay, so, okay, so on gold we are gonna look. Probably market is making. Okay, this should be a support for the buyers, but the market already has made a bearish candle below this resistance area, so now this become our resistance, and we can actually see for sells at the moment on gold, not right now, but yes, we can see sells on the gold. Let's see if the market uh, respect this area of resistance, and if it respects, we can have a good sell. Okay, so as we are actually watching gold right now at the moment, is we had this level of resistance formed. What happened in the previous, let's see. Now I'm gonna connect this trade with SMC as well, smart money concept, that it's gonna play like it's gonna play just give me a second, guys. Okay, so as I'm gonna go into, you know, SMC as well, I want to connect this. So, in SMC we have some order blocks, we have some liquidity area, and we look some lows of previous some candles, and then we go for the sells. Let's go, Sham. Thank you for joining in. Okay, so like for example, if we see only this area at the moment, this particular area, we have a very good example of SMC, order block, and liquidity zone. How? I'm gonna just explain you in a second. Okay, so what I'm gonna explain you is about SMC. Okay, guys, this is basically a liquidity zone. This was a liquidity zone. Okay, we can consider this a liquidity zone. I'm gonna just type in. I'm gonna type in like LQ. I'm just gonna delete this. Okay. Okay, so this was our liquidity zone. Market came at this position, then start, jumping around, and now this has become our order block. How? You know, this was the bullish candle that market indicated us that it's gonna go down in for the order block. For example, this next candle, this next bearish candle was not so good for the order block, but if you see on the 4 hour, it's gonna go like it's a good candle for the order block. So as we see in the order block, that the market's gonna break the level of the previous bullish candle, and if that breaks the previous bullish candle, so we have the indication of forming of the order block. So now we have like this order block going on, and once the market retraces the whole move and running around within this area, so we have a good opportunity to sell the market within this order block. Now this is your order block. I'm just gonna type in OB. Okay, so this is your, okay, let me just fix it on top. Okay, now this is your order block. So what happens mostly if I'm gonna take the trade for the sells on this gold pair, so probably my entry was gonna be maybe on at this level with a stop loss of probably like probably this some maybe, or probably this. Okay, but I can also watch the market. I could also watch the market, and I could see that the move is going down. So this order block was these two candles were closed below this area. So yes, we can go for the sells, we can look for the sells, so we can enter within this area. So we have a very small stop loss, just like it's 7.6 pip almost. We can consider this as 8 pip, right? And we have a very huge we have a very huge range to sell the market. It was around 2500 pips, right? So what we are looking in the next, you know we're gonna look for the impulse entries as well. We're gonna look for the for the SMC as well within this zone. But for now, what I am looking is, yes, market has made a good order block. Market is creating a good order block zone, but it has not retraced yet. Okay, so what I'm actually looking for today, that before the NFP as well, we have created this area, this support zone we are creating on 1 hour. Okay, and we have this liquidity zone. Let me just and this is going to be our, like, let's jump on to the 30 minutes for the perfect order block. Okay, this could be our, this is going to be our order block. So what I'm gonna just type in OB and change the setting to the top. Okay, so what's gonna happen in this case, for example, now we have two setups going on within one pair. If the market starts going up, for example, market's gonna go like pushing up just like this way, so we have this whole range. Once the market comes in the order block area, what we're gonna look into, that we're gonna look for the sells. But for example, I'm gonna take entry at this level with the with this much stops. All right, 13 pip stops. Probably I'm gonna go like take an entry within this area and gonna put a little big stop, right? So now we have two two things for sells, two positions for sells. For example, like this is going to be the more riskier one, and the wait a second. Okay, so now this is going to be our um, you know pips target. This is around 2600. 260 pips, and this one trade is all right. And for example, if the market does not push up till this area, so what we're gonna do is that, for example, we are creating this level of support right here, and we have a good zone coming up to this position, that the market can go up to this position, right? But for example, if it doesn't go like till here, what it should has to do, that market has to break this level of interest, like RPOI. Okay, I'm just gonna point of interest. Okay, this is going to be our point of interest. So once the market gonna break this area, we're gonna go for the sell stops. Now this trade is not going to be we're not gonna target a lot of pips around at this position, but we're gonna take the impulse entry, and we're gonna take the profits, and we're gonna go get out of the market, right? For example, we have a good clean candle like on our left hand side, which is almost 60 pip candle. So we're gonna put our take profit at around this area. So this is going to be an impulse entry, and this is going to be an SMC market zone. But for example, if the market just go above this area, so that's totally fine. We're not gonna be entering in this position either. In if for example we get into this position once the market reaches this area, so we're just gonna lose like less than 1% of our account size, because when we're gonna risk very less, right? So this is basically a 1:11 trade. So yeah, let's see. Okay, we have gold marked up, we have like EU marked up. Let's see. Okay, let's jump on to the Euro USD. Oops. Euro USD marked up, and now we're gonna look for pound yen. I'm just gonna delete this GJ. Okay, let's jump on to the daily time frame. Okay, on a daily time frame we can see the market can retrace to the downhand side, but at this position that market probably is trying to go up and break this resistance. Yeah, we did not enter in this trade. Okay, I think I need to just clear everything out. Okay, now I have to okay, this probably could be a fake out, so I'm gonna set my resistance over this position. Okay, this is my resistance level for GJ, and what we can expect from this area, that if the market start creating the rejection candles just the way this candle was, then market retraced a bit and then start pushing down. So we're looking that if the market's gonna make just same candle, just the way it is, so we're gonna look for sells. Alright, and for now we're gonna wait and let's jump onto the Forex factory because we have NFP today and it's very important. So yeah, it's June 3rd and it's 3:20 here. Let's just refresh it. Okay, we're gonna drop NFT at 5:30 p.m. according to GMT5 plus, and first news we're gonna have is USD of USD. We have all the news of USD and 3 high impact news and 2 mid impact news. So average hourly earnings, let's see. We have a previous points 0.3%. Still it's a good gain for the market and we are expecting 0.4% in the market. So in the last month, if we see like on the May 6th, we had the forecast was 0.05%. Sorry, the previous April was 0.05% and the forecast was 0.04%, but the actual numbers were dropped at 0.3%, which is actually a negative news for the US economy. So market dropped at this position, like dollar index got dropped. So what we are expecting right now is the previously, the actual number of May was 0.3%. Still we have 0.1%, update and the increment on hourly earnings in US. So for example, if this actual number is gonna be more than the forecast or the previous, so it's gonna be good for the currency, which is like, let's jump onto the dollar index, DXY. Okay, so onto the dollar index, we are seeing the decline for a lot of, right. So we can consider this, that the level of support at the moment, for example, this is going to be a technical, market can go up to this, up to this area 102.6, because that's today we have a high impact news, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and see. First we're gonna have to wait for the market at 5:30 p.m. We'll have to be waiting how's the market's gonna react. And okay, average hourly earnings, so we are expecting gold to move up, dollar to move up, right? And let's jump on to the NFP. Okay, the main news, non-farm employment change, which is also called NFP or employment change news, right? We have a forecast of 325,000. Previously it was 420 28,000, which was a very good number, but right now it was the forecast is actually indicating us that the market gonna go down. So that's gonna be, not not so good. So yeah, look, so what we are expecting at the moment is that the market can go down, right? And we have unemployment change. Unemployment change is basically a jobless rate. We have a data. This is also a monthly data. uh, this comes after the every month. And just give me a second, guys. And what is happening at the moment is, previously, a jobless rate, it has to be less than the forecast or the previous. For example, we have a 3.6% in the month of May. So US government must be expecting, less than 3.6%, probably 3.5, 3.4. So that's going to be good for the currency, because when there is going to be a lot of people working, so the buying power goes up, right? So once the buying power goes up, it means that the economy and the people are, stable to purchase, a lot of stuff. They can like move around, they can enjoy their self. And once they're gonna buy stuff, obviously that's gonna help government to grow. So in this case, uh, as the numbers are indicating us that the US dollar is gonna go down. So let's see what happens. Like, we have two news going on for the, in the opposition of US dollar, and the one is in the favor. So let's see where the market's gonna go. But as we are expecting, okay, where is the gold? Because gold's gonna give us a good push up or a push down, so we're gonna look into gold. So as you know, technically we are uh you know o- as we have marking as we have marked technically the market, the gold. So for example, yeah, and that's totally fine. We can actually have a buy from here. If the market drops at 5:30, we're gonna look for some supports, and from some zones, some reversal zones, and some breakout zones. So then we can analyze fundamentally how the market's gonna go. Because before the news, the 30 minutes before of the news, you can understand the market much more easily and much more better than right now. So yeah, we just marked uh, one of these pairs. So let's see how market's gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna put my sell stop on EU. gonna put my sell stop here. Let's just modify this order. Let's put, you know, a sell stop loss. Modify the position. Here is going our stop loss. What was our stop loss on 107480? 107480. So guys, we just we have put, okay, let's set a take profit. I'm gonna look for this position 7126 and 7126. And yeah guys, the orders has been placed of EU. And if you want to copy paste our signals, right now the live stream is free for everyone, but our closed group, like for example, let's go to the TRENDVEST .com. This is our website guys, where you can find us, and you can see that how we are actually operating the market. Let me just come over here. Yeah, okay, so this is our website, this is our services. Let's jump onto the service. Alright, we have an educational courses, physical boot camps within Pakistan, within America, and webinars, monthly course. It is a monthly course. Okay, you're gonna go and read more, and you can have a good understanding that what we are actually providing. Financial consultancy, community group, and incubator stuff. And you can contact us, and one of our representative will call you or get connected with you, right? And you can actually join our Instagram as well, where we updates daily regarding our results from the previous month. Okay, I think I cannot. Okay, I have to. So these were the results from May, that we got like 261 pip, which is 26% gain in the last month of May. Then we have the results from April. The month of April, we got like 314 pips, which was around almost 31% of the account size. And we have some things going on. This is the stuff that we are providing, so you can actually join that as well. Right now, I think the traders has activated of the EU, and let's jump on to the MT5.
far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, won't you let the light shine through? Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. And hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I woke awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? Can I take? Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Can I be your superhero? Superhero. Superhero. Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero. You're a superhero.
Cut.
When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah, oh my darling, would you take me away? Take me away. And it
Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. And hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption. Breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step
I'm still hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. superhero.
Okay, so as the trade of Euro USD has executed, and we are currently and almost 9-10 pips up, according to the signal we have sent in the group. Our TP1 is hit, and yeah, we are going for the TP2 right now. And uh, and right now, let's jump on to the goal and let's see how the market is reacting. Okay, so we have two trades set up on gold. For example, that this was about SMC and this is about the breakout structures and the impulse entries. So what I'm actually looking at the moment is that we have a good candles from left hand side we have. So what I am actually sorry, just give me a second, guys. I've got a cough. Okay, so we got some questions, but there is no more right now at the moment. So, okay, okay, we got a request on. Okay, so okay, what we are expecting at the moment, that market has rejected it 2 times, and what I'm expecting at the moment, that it has to come down, or what is gonna happen right after 15 minutes probably. Let's jump on to the 15 minutes. On to the 15-minute. This specific area actually has to reject as well. So once this area got rejected, we're gonna have a good, push down. So yeah, we can enjoy our trade. So now I'm gonna add some. Okay, pound yen, just drag down gold. Okay. Okay, we are creating this support. We can just take the support level as well. Right. At this particular position, okay, I'm gonna open one stand lot on the gold, and this is going to be my price for the sell stop. I'm just gonna do it. Okay, double click for the modify, just go for the SL 1866, 1860. Let's go with 1864. That's flat 1865. That's great. Okay, there must be a take profit. There should be a take profit for 1859.17. 59.17. Modify order. Okay, let's see if the market's gonna, what happens next. CAD JPY sell analysis. Okay, let's move to trading view. Let's see CAD JPY. Okay, let's go to the day one. CAD is already too high at the moment. Okay, I actually don't trade on CAD JPY, but let's see what is the high of the CAD JPY of all time. 125.187. Okay, jump on to the hour. Okay, so CAD JPY, I think CAD JPY is actually not showing so good indication. Because we have a good range to upside. We have almost 55 pip range to the upside of CAD JPY, so let's see what it happens. But let's just focus on gold and Euro USD at the moment. Oh, we missed the GJ trade. Okay, so as we sent the signal in the group for the sell stops on gold, we hit our take profit one and we are just close to TP2. It's 1855, so let's see if someone is holding it. uh, Make sure to manage your trade. And yeah, and on EU, we almost hit our take profit 2 on Euro USD without hitting our stop losses. And yeah, so the stream is over now, and goodbye.